We once again call on the Philippines to heed the call from regional countries and their peoples, correct the wrongdoing as soon as possible, quickly pull out the Typhoon missile system as publicly pledged, and stop going further down the wrong path. Naaning! This is a highly dangerous move and an extremely irresponsible choice for its own people, the people of other Southeast Asian countries, and regional security. Tanggalin nyo na yan! Hindi na namin makita eh! Hindi na namin makita! Nakakakaba! Well, alam nyo mga kutsero, nakakatakot naman talaga kasi ang typhoon na yan. Nakakatakot to talaga yan. Kasi pwedeng umabot yan sa mainland eh, ng China. Yung pagkakaroon daw natin ng typhoon missiles, mga kutsero, ay isang irresponsableng choice. Ibabalik ko ang sisi nito kay Rodrigo Roa Duterte kasi si Rodrigo Roa Duterte is the most dangerous president the Philippines ever had. Most dangerous not only for the Filipino citizens but also for the national security of the Philippines itself.